Yeah, I think they decided against that.
Very wise decision. The van is up to its doors in water. And this is at Home Depot.